चेन्नई के अधिकारी प्रशिक्षण अकादमी में शनिवार को एक समारोह में 258 कैडेट अधिकारी और 39 महिला कैडेट अधिकारी को भारतीय सेना की विभिन्न इकाइयों और सेवाओं में शामिल किया गया। ओटीए के परमेश्वरन ड्रिल स्क्वायर में आयोजित पासिंग आउट परेड की समीक्षा सेना के उप प्रमुख लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल एनएस राज सुब्रमणी ने की। ओटीए ने कहा कि मित्रवत देशों के 10 कैडेट अधिकारी और 5 कैडेट अधिकारी महिलाओं ने भी सफलतापूर्वक अपना प्रशिक्षण पूरा किया है। मित्रवत देशों के कैडेट के सफलतापूर्वक प्रशिक्षण प्राप्त करने से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमाओं पर सौहार्द और सहयोग की भावना को बढ़ावा मिला है। कैडेट अधिकारी संस्थान में शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन कोर्स के 118वें बैच और शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन कोर्स महिला के 32वें बैच और अन्य समकक्ष पाठ्यक्रमों से संबंधित थे। थल सेना उप प्रमुख ने अपने संबोधन में कैडेट अधिकारी और एओटीए कर्मियों की अनुकरणीय उपलब्धियों के लिए उनकी सराहना की। उन्होंने कहा कि आपको जल्दी ही दुनिया के कुछ बेहतरीन सैनिकों की कमान संभालने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ होगा। ये सैनिक आपकी सबसे मूल्यवान संपत्ति हैं। अब आपको उनके जीवन और कल्याण की जिम्मेदारी सौंपी गई है, इसलिए अपनी कमान को युद्ध के लिए तैयार रहने के लिए कुशल, अनुशासित और धैर्यवान बनाएं। देश सेवा के लिए तैयार हुई महिला जवानों ने भी अपनी बात रखते हुए पूरा जोश और जज्बा दिखाया। उनका कहना था कि
It's all the mixed feeling. I can't express in a single word, and it's His blessing, His love to me, and He's showering all His blessing to me. Right now I'm standing straight, and I just want to tell everyone, every lady who is sitting at the house, just this is not the end, this is just the beginning, and you should move forward in the life. It's not the end of the life. Yeah, my husband was Mi-17 V5 helicopter pilot. He was with General Bipin Rawat, CDS, then CDS, and he was taking him to the Coonoor, Wellington, and that time that aircraft crashed and I lost him. No, it's not like that because no one has planned this. This is just a destiny.
As you can see, I am holding my twins. They are 4.5 years old. Obviously, it was difficult for me as a mother of twins, but I never give up in my life. I have decided that if I have lost my husband, it's okay. I'll go out and I'll give my best, and I'll wanted to give the same life to my twins, which me and my husband has decided. And after my husband's death, I completed my B.Ed and I cleared the interview of Army School, and I joined the Army School as a teacher, Western Command Chandri Mandir. I was teaching there in the APPS, and after, in between, I was preparing for the SSB also, and I got recommended from 18 SSB Allahabad, from the same center from where my husband got recommended. And on the same date of 29 September, I joined Academy. It was our marriage anniversary on 29 September, and now I have completed my 11 months training here, and I am feeling very proud and just want to motivate other Veer Naris also, so that they can also come out and give their best. So nothing is impossible in the life. If I can do with the twins, anyone can do. And another thing is I have there were many people who supported me a lot in between. There were my husband's course mates and my relatives, my family members, my mom, dad are standing here. They supported me a lot. My mother was taking care of my kids. My kids were with my mother and my father.